Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In today's video, we're going to uncover some budgeting secrets for beginners. Budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and reduce financial stress. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your budgeting skills, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and secrets you need to create an effective budget. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Before we dive into the secrets of successful budgeting, let's first understand why budgeting is so important. Here are 3 key reasons why budgeting should be a priority. First, budgeting brings financial awareness. It helps you gain a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and spending habits. By tracking where your money is going, you can make informed financial decisions and identify areas where you can save or cut back. Second, budgeting enables goal setting and achievement. When you have a budget in place, you can set realistic financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or taking a dream vacation. Your budget serves as a roadmap to track your progress and ensure you stay on track to achieve those goals. Third, budgeting reduces financial stress. By having a well-planned budget, you gain a sense of control over your finances. You'll have a clear picture of your income and expenses, allowing you to make smarter financial choices and avoid unnecessary debt. Budgeting provides peace of mind and eliminates the uncertainty that comes with financial instability. Now that we understand the importance of budgeting, let's dive into some secrets that can help beginners create an effective budget. The first secret is to track your expenses diligently. Start by keeping a record of all your expenses for a month. This will give you a comprehensive view of where your money is going. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize your expenses and identify areas where you can make adjustments. The second secret is to prioritize your spending. Differentiate between your needs and wants. Focus on allocating your money to essential expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and debt payments before considering discretionary spending. By prioritizing your needs, you ensure that your basic financial obligations are met. The third secret is to set realistic goals. When creating your budget, set achievable financial goals that align with your income and expenses. Be specific and time-bound with your goals, such as saving a certain amount per month or paying off a credit card balance within a specific time frame. Realistic goals will keep you motivated and prevent discouragement. The fourth secret is to create a buffer for unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund or a contingency category in your budget is crucial. Allocate a portion of your income to build an emergency fund so you're prepared for unforeseen circumstances like car repairs, medical expenses, or job loss. The fifth secret is to review and adjust your budget regularly. Your financial situation and priorities may change over time, so it's essential to review and update your budget periodically. Set aside time each month to assess your progress, make necessary adjustments, and ensure your budget remains effective and aligned with your goals. Now that you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. Allocate your income towards different expense categories, ensuring that you prioritize your needs and savings goals. By implementing these budgeting secrets, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Remember, budgeting is a skill that takes practice and discipline. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your financial goals. Thank you for watching our video on budgeting secrets for beginners. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and advice. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found the information valuable and feel empowered to start budgeting effectively. Remember, budgeting is a tool that can transform your financial life and help you achieve your goals. In conclusion, budgeting is a powerful tool that brings financial awareness, enables goal setting and achievement, and reduces financial stress. By tracking your expenses, prioritizing your spending, setting realistic goals, creating a buffer for unexpected expenses, and reviewing your budget regularly, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on personal finance and budgeting. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and create a better future.